Can Kishane Thompson become the next Jamaican sprint legend? The 2024 Olympic silver medalist is back with a vengeance, kicking off his 2025 season with jaw-dropping performances, including back-to-back personal bests at the Astana Indoor Meet. With a 100-meter personal best of 9.77 seconds and unmatched determination, Thompson is on a mission to dominate the Tokyo World Championships this year and possibly surprise fans in the 200 meters. But will injury concerns slow him down, or will he rewrite the record books? In this video, we break down his electrifying season start, his goals for 2025, and why the track world is buzzing about this rising star. Stay tuned to find out if this could be the year Kishane Thompson cements his name in history. Let's get into it. Kishane Thompson's performance at the Astana Indoor Meet is nothing short of remarkable. Running back-to-back personal bests, especially clocking 6.56 seconds in the final, speaks volumes about his growing strength, speed, and ability to perform under pressure. It's also a testament to his technical precision in the shorter, more explosive 60 meters, something that directly translates to an even more powerful start in the 100 meters. The 2024 Paris Olympic 100-meter silver medalist has returned to competition with an undeniable determination for the 2025 season. Known for his breakout performances in 2023, when he ran a then 100-meter personal best of 9.87 seconds at the Diamond League final in Eugene, Oregon, Thompson has continued to establish himself as a generational talent. Despite being injury-prone, Thompson has demonstrated his ability to overcome challenges and get even faster. His current personal best of 9.77 seconds, achieved during the 2024 Jamaican Olympic Trials, solidified his place as one of the fastest men in history.
Set off! Great start for Kishane Thompson on the ball. Kishane Thompson steps forward and this race is the
Unfortunately, his 2024 season ended on a disappointing note when he was unable to anchor the Jamaican 4x100-meter relay team to the final at the Paris Olympics. However, his resolve to create history has only strengthened. Thompson is now on a mission to become the third Jamaican man and the fourth Caribbean athlete to win the 100-meter World Championship title. With the Tokyo World Championship scheduled for September, he has been meticulous about his preparations, opting to start his season early to gain momentum. Thompson began his 2025 campaign by clocking an impressive 6.48 seconds in the 60 meters at the Central Hurdles, Relays, and Field Events Meet, showing promising form. He later made his indoor debut at the Astana Indoor Meet, tackling the highly technical 60-meter event. This meet included 2 rounds. First round, Thompson cruised to a smooth personal best of 6.58 seconds, signaling his readiness for the final. 2. Final. In a stunning display, he delivered another personal best of 6.56 seconds, showcasing a fantastic start and explosive power. This time secured him the win, while his teammate Yohan placed 8th with 6.82 seconds. However, after the race, Thompson appeared to be limping off the field, raising concerns about his fitness. Given his injury history, it wouldn't be surprising if he decides to end his season early to prioritize a successful outdoor campaign. Based on his current performances, there's every reason to believe that Kishane Thompson could run faster than his 100-meter 9.77 second personal best. His sharpness and technical improvements over the 60-meter bode well for his outdoor season, as the first 60 meters is critical to a strong 100-meter time. Sub 9.75 is within reach, especially if he continues to build on his start and maintains his closing speed. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Here's another question about Kishane Thompson. Could he surprise fans in the 200 meters in 2025? Thompson's combination of strength and speed opens up the possibility of him competing in the 200 meters. If he and his coach decided to take on this challenge, he could follow in the footsteps of Jamaican legends like Usain Bolt and Yohan who dominated both the 100 and 200 meters. Training for the 200 meters would also enhance his endurance, giving him an edge in the latter stages of the 100 meters. While Thompson's performance is inspiring, his health remains a critical factor. The limp following his win at Astana is a reminder of his injury-prone nature. Ending his outdoor season early could be a strategic move to allow for full recovery and preparation for the outdoor season. Staying healthy will be key if he wants to sustain his dominance throughout 2025. In conclusion, Kishane Thompson's 2025 campaign is off to a blazing start, and he remains undefeated so far this season. With a sharp focus on making history, his sights are firmly set on the Tokyo World Championship later this year. Fans are eagerly anticipating faster times in the 100 meters and perhaps a surprise appearance in the 200 meters. If Kishane Thompson stays injury-free and continues to refine his craft, he has the potential to not only win, but to rewrite the record books. Now it's your turn. Do you think Kishane Thompson will run faster than 9.77 seconds in the 100 meter this season? Could he make a stunning debut in the 200 meters and follow in the footsteps of Jamaican legends like Usain Bolt? Let us know your predictions and thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Check out this video on whether or not Kishane Thompson can bring back glory to Jamaican male sprinting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about Caribbean athletes and culture, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Once again, share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. This is Caribbean Focus, and we'll see you in the next video.
What are you going to be working on? Is it more on the physical front or more on the mental front?
Everything. No excuses. We sharpen what needs to be sharpened. If it's sharp than ever, we make it even sharper than ever. Just keep on bettering my best. That's all.
Set off. Great start for Usain. Kishane Thompson on the ball. Kishane Thompson. Kishane Thompson steps forward and dismisses the air.
Great start from Coleman in lane 4. Fabulous start. Oh, and Bracey Williams has gone back. Hakeem Blake, in fact. But look at this. The running here from Christian Coleman. He's not going to be caught on this day, or is he? Wow. So tight there. Was that Kishane Thompson on the near side in lane 10, I think.
I'm actually that good where I'm in the race and I can instantly fix my mistakes. So I don't really have to watch it a number of times. It has been phenomenal, honestly. The whole aura, the vibe. You know, growing up, I've always seen the Olympics, always loved track and field, always wanted to be in this moment. So it's a very good feeling.